Acne, acne, acne. Many people don't know actually what is acne. Today I am going to clear your all doubts related to acne, like what is acne, prevalence of acne, where does acne occur and where not, and why, and types of acne also. So let's start with what is acne. In simple language, acne is pimples. Mainly it occurs due to clogging of hair follicles with sebum, dead skin cells and dirt. There is a role of hormones, which name is androgen, acne's microbe and diet in addition. All of the above leads to inflammation causing acne and eventually acne scars in some. Now I am telling you the prevalence of acne. In a recent study, acne ranked 8th most prevalent disease in the world. 72.3% of teenagers and 30% of adults are known to suffer from acne. It affects women more commonly as compared to men, although acne scars are more commonly seen in men as compared to women. Now the third question is, where does acne occur? So guys, it is commonly seen on the face, shoulders, chest and back, mostly on the sides of maximum oil glands. Facial acne being commonest of them, all affecting cheeks, chin, nose and forehead in that order. Oil glands are absent on palms and soles, hence these are two areas where acne doesn't occur. Now we are going to talk about the types of acne. So guys, acne lesions fall into two categories. First is non-inflammatory acne, means not red or sore, and second is inflammatory acne, means red or sore. There are two types of acne in first category, whiteheads and blackheads. Whiteheads are small white dots on the skin and blackheads are small black or brown dots on the skin. And in second category, there are four types of acne: papules, pustules, nodules, cyst. First is papules. It is raised red pimples with no white or yellow center. Second is pustules. It's raised like red pimples with a white or yellow center. And third is nodules. Large, severe, painful, fibrous lesions not filled with pus. Fourth and last type is cyst. It is large, severe, painful, fibrous lesion filled with liquid or pus. So guys, that's all in this video. In my next video, I will tell you the factors triggering acne and that foods which you should avoid during acne. If you are also suffering from acne, then subscribe our channel to have notification of my upcoming acne related video, in which I will tell you that how can you cure your acne. Till then, bye bye, take care.